Everyone, this is Muskan and this is day 1 of Learn English with me. I have given challenge to myself to speak English at least 3 to 5 minutes on daily basis before 2026 started. And I really want to learn English. I really want to speak English fluently. So just subscribe this channel and you can be the part of this video. Like I want to make videos. I want to speak English fluently. But due to some reasons, I was not able to record video. I'm I'm learning new things, I'm reading books and I'm practicing. I do whatever I can do, but still I'm not able to record videos. You know why? Because I feel shy and I afraid to make mistakes. I was not thinking that I was not thought before this video that people learns from their mistakes and I should also learn from our mistakes. So today I made my mind to accept this challenge that this is it happens with many people. So I should not afraid from this. So don't get afraid of all these things. Everyone makes mistakes and we have to we should learn from our mistakes. We don't give up. We should always try. We should never give up. And by this means, we can learn everything, whatever uh, we wants to learn. And I know why it is happening. When it comes to speaking, and I speak a little, my mind gone blank. And a single word is not coming out of my mouth. And I got stuck. My mind totally stuck. A single word is not coming out of my mouth. My mind always puts off and procrastinates on tomorrow. When it comes to speaking, I have thought so much. I have thought many times I should make videos or not. But I made my mind to accept this thing, and now I'm able to face camera and I can speak a little. I can't say I'm speaking better, but I will I will speak better in my future because practice makes a man perfect. We should never give up. We should always learn from our mistakes. And I believe myself that I can do everything, whatever I want. And everyone can do everything if they made decision for themselves. So I hope this video will be helpful for you and please keep supporting me. And I'm little bit nervous today because this is first time when I was facing camera. So if I will do any mistakes, I hope you will not judge me. You will correct my mistakes. When I will not mind, I would be very happy. I would be very happy if you will comment me in comment box and you will correct me my mistakes. I will be very thankful to you. We should conquer ourselves and stay tuned with me. I will see you in the next video.